katotohanan, katarungan at katwiran, Diyos at bayan. Tayong lahat ay kasama, kaisa, may pakialam, agenda. Let our spirits flow in the river of worship. River of worship. Makinig, makilahok, at makisigaw. Shout out! Sigaw ng kabataan. Piso mo, palaguin mo. Pisobilities. I-hashtag ang fun at kaalaman. Yan tayo eh. Hashtag Pinoy. Positive music, positive you. Jam. Samahan ang mga kids sa kanilang exciting adventures. Kids HQ. Your guide to life's best adventure. Road trip. A wonderful time of music and message to God. Solemn sessions. Dito, kompositorang bida. This is my story. This is my song. Ignite the fire of music.